The Steam controller is officially back, and it's about to change everything you know about PC gaming. For years, we've waited for Valve to fix the original's flaws, and on May 4, 2026, they are finally doing it with a complete reinvention. This isn't just a simple refresh or a basic update. This is a high-tech beast designed to bridge the gap between a keyboard and a gamepad like never before. If you've been struggling with stick drift or you're tired of controllers that feel like they were made for consoles first, this video is for you. We are diving deep into the new Steam controller, internally known as Ibex, to see if it's truly the ultimate weapon for your PC setup. The biggest news right away is the technology inside the thumbsticks. Valve has skipped over standard analog sticks and even the popular Hall effect sensors. Instead, they are using TMR, which stands for tunneling Magneto Resistance. This is a massive leap forward for gamers. These sticks are incredibly precise and use very little power. But the best part is that they are completely immune to stick drift. Traditional controllers wear down over time because parts rub together, but this magnetic system eliminates that friction. This means your aim stays perfect, and your character won't move on their own even after years of heavy use. For anyone playing fast-paced shooters or competitive games, this feature alone makes the controller worth watching. But Valve didn't stop at the sticks. They've added something called GripSense, and it feels like magic. There is capacitive touch technology built right into the grips of the controller. This allows the device to know exactly when you are holding it. When you tighten your grip, it can instantly activate the gyro controls. You don't have to press a button to start motion aiming anymore, you just hold the controller naturally. When you want to stop, you just relax your hand. It makes motion aiming feel smooth and intuitive rather than clunky. It creates a level of immersion that most other controllers simply can't match because it responds to your body's natural movements. The iconic trackpads are also making a return, but they have been heavily upgraded. These are now high-precision haptic trackpads that feel sharper and more responsive. They are designed to simulate the feeling of a mouse, which is a game-changer for PC titles that don't usually support controllers. Whether you are playing a complex strategy game or a deep simulation, these trackpads give you the control you need to navigate menus and maps with ease. Valve has also ensured that the layout feels familiar. It closely matches the Steam Deck's button and trigger arrangement. If you've used a Steam Deck, you will feel at home the moment you pick this up. Charging and connectivity have also been reimagined. The controller comes with a magnetic charging puck that serves two purposes. It charges the device instantly when you set it down, and it acts as the wireless receiver. It uses an ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz link with a response time of only 8 milliseconds. That is incredibly fast for a wireless connection and is very close to the performance of a wired cable. You get all the freedom of playing from your couch without the annoying lag that usually comes with wireless gaming. This balance of convenience and speed is exactly what pro gamers have been asking for. The real power of this controller lies in the software. Because it's a Valve product, it has deep integration with Steam Input. This allows you to customize every single button, trigger, and trackpad to your exact liking. You can download community-made profiles for thousands of games, so you don't have to spend hours tweaking settings if you don't want to. However, if you love to experiment, the flexibility is endless. You can create macros, adjust gyro sensitivity, and even map mouse movements to the trackpads. It turns the controller into a tool that adapts to you, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Now, there are a few things to consider before you drop $99 on this device. First, it is a Steam-focused product. While it works with non-Steam games like Fortnite, you have to add them to your Steam library manually. It's an extra step that some people might find annoying. Also, the price is higher than a standard Xbox or PlayStation controller. Some might think $99 is a lot, but when you look at the TMR sticks, the haptics, and the GripSense technology, the value is clearly here. It's a premium tool for people who take their PC gaming seriously. My honest opinion is that this is a bold move by Valve. They aren't trying to copy Sony or Microsoft. They are building something specifically for the PC community. If you are a casual player who just wants to plug in and play without thinking, this might be overkill. But if you want the most precise, customizable, and future-proof controller on the market, the new Steam controller is in a league of its own. It solves the biggest problems of the original while adding features we didn't even know we needed. It's a glimpse into the future of how we will interact with our games. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.